time to get your IFTA creation done today. Do not stress about trucking registration any longer. Instead, you can have our organization activate your IFTA account today. Welcome to FMCSAregistration.com. Our third-party creation services can generate IFTA files in any state. This way, you can receive decal stickers and pay your fuel taxes with ease. So, what is IFTA? It stands for International Fuel Tax Agreement. This agreement involves the USA and provinces in Canada. The purpose of IFTA is to simplify fuel use reporting by commercial motor carriers that operate in more than one state. Say that your carrier becomes registered with IFTA through our creation services. This means that you will receive an official IFTA license. Plus, you will also get 2 decals for every registered vehicle. Then, your business can file a fuel tax report every quarter. The report will determine the refund or net tax totals owed. This process is a lot simpler and easier than trying to pay fuel taxes within each state where you do business. Every IFTA report is due at the end of each quarter during an entire year, but the government will grant an extra month after each quarter to file your reports. Here's an example on how IFTA filing works. Say that you need to file for the first quarter of the year. The months in the quarter are January, February, and March. FMCSA officials will allow you to wait until the end of April to submit your filing, and you will not have to deal with a penalty or late fee. Let's now go over which vehicle need IFTA registration. IFTA is for all sorts of commercial vehicles that transport property or people via interstate commerce. This means that the drivers move from state to state. A vehicle must have IFTA registration if it has 2 axles or a gross weight above 26,000 pounds. Plus, every 3-axle vehicle must have active registration. Even gross combination weight over 26,000 pounds leads to registering for IFTA. Gross combination often refers to a vehicle that's pulling a trailer. This is the information that a carrier needs to present when registering an IFTA return. First, a business must state its total mileage, both taxable and non-taxable. This includes trip permit miles. Then, the carrier will calculate how many gallons of fuel, both taxable and non-taxable, it consumed. Next, the company must write down how many miles it traveled within every member jurisdiction. But that's not all. A carrier must also file how many tax-paid gallons of fuel were bought in each jurisdiction. This process might sound complicated, but IFTA actually simplifies reporting processes with FMCSA. Through IFTA, each carrier can maintain just a single fuel tax license. The license will cover all qualified commercial vehicles in a fleet. Then, thanks to the registration, drivers can operate the vehicles in all IFTA jurisdictions. This way, a trucking company only needs to file a single tax return every quarter. Here at FMCSAregistration.com, we know that you go that extra mile every day, both in your truck and to make a living. That is why our experts have formed the perfect IFTA creation services. We intend for you to travel every mile with confidence, knowing that your fuel tax reporting duties are simple and easy to manage. Plus, you can rest easy knowing that your carrier is maintaining an excellent standing with FMCSA. If you want to learn more about IFTA creation, please click on the link below or give us a call at 1-866-477-0707. We are standing by to answer all your questions related to IFTA. In fact, our team can even register your business for our IFTA creation services over the phone. Then, our professionals will not rest until you can receive the decals that you need. We look forward to setting up your registration today.